Hello aspirants, welcome to AQYS YouTube channel. This video is another episode of our daily current affairs series. In today's video, we'll talk about India's presidency at United Nations Security Council. So recently, India assumed the presidency at United Nations Security Council for the month of August, and for this month, India will decide the agenda for United Nations Security Council. So it's a matter of honor and immense privilege to have assumed the presidency at United Nations Security Council. So for this month, India will try to coordinate meetings on a range of issues. In fact, India is going to organize key events in three major areas: maritime security, peacekeeping, and counter-terrorism. So, from the prelims perspective, remember Prime Minister Modi is going to be the first Indian PM to preside over a meeting of the UNSC. Although in the past, in 1992, PV Narasimha Rao attended UNSC meeting, but Prime Minister Modi is going to be the first Indian PM to preside over this meeting. So, from the prelims perspective, this fact is extremely important. Now, as I said earlier, it's a matter of immense privilege, and India has been receiving the support from various countries. In fact, France has shown the interest to collaborate with India over various strategic matters, and Russia as well. Russia praised India's agenda for the month of August, and there are some challenges in front of India. And one of the most deadly challenges is China. So, we have seen in the recent past, China has been extremely hostile and aggressive. And we have seen the situation at India China border. So, to tackle with China, it is going to be a massive challenge for India. If you recall, China tried to raise Jammu and Kashmir issue at UNSC, and we are witnessing China's aggressive policy in Indo-Pacific as well. So, striking a balance between friends and adversaries, this is going to be a big challenge for India. Now, as far as the prelims is concerned, just remember few facts. Remember about UNSC that it is composed of 15 members, 10 non-permanent members, 5 permanent members, and each member has one veto. This is another fact you can remember. And UNSC is one of the 6 main organs of the United Nations. So from the prelims perspective, remember Prime Minister Modi is going to be the first Indian PM to preside over a UNSC meeting. And remember about UNSC that it is one of the 6 main organs of the United Nations, and it is composed of 15 members, 10 non-permanent, 5 permanent members. And as we know that India has been trying to get the permanent membership, but China has been the biggest hurdle. So that's all you need to know vis-a-vis this topic. And I'm providing the content. You can download this PPT and you can revise for the upcoming prelims. And if you have liked our video, then you can subscribe our YouTube channel for more such videos, and you can follow our social media platforms for daily current affairs content. So that's all for today's video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.